So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are with another hiring program that is from Cognizant. So we will discuss all the details about that. Please watch this video fully. Don't skip any part of this. I will tell you what this hiring is about and what to study and where to study. So don't skip any part. So before that, please subscribe and hit that bell button because most of the hiring lasts for 1 to 2 weeks. And if you're late to watch this video, you might miss an opportunity. So we provide all the latest hiring certification course and many useful things that are needed for your career. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button. Also check out the WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description. So without wasting any time, let's get into today's video. So guys, as you saw in the thumbnail, so today's hiring is from Cognizant. So Cognizant is now hiring for freshers. So this particular role is data analyst. So when you click the link in the description, it will lead you to this official page of Cognizant. So you can see that they are hiring for the role data analyst. So in this, you have to deal with advanced Excels also. So I will tell you all the details. So first, when you click the link, you can redirect to this particular page. So you can see that this particular hiring is for freshers. So data analyst. So as we know, what basically data analyst is. So the same thing they have given in the job description. So they have given that you have to gather the data and make a document of it. So also they have mentioned it is advanced Excel. So you have to document it through advanced features of Excel. So the documentation and a lot of other things that the analyst role do in a lot of other companies, the same thing you have to do in this company also. So they haven't given any other information regarding what to study, where to study, and what are the questions you can expect, what are the rounds. So I will tell you everything. So when you click the link, you will get only these details. So this is not enough for you to crack this hiring. So in order to crack this hiring, I will tell you all the tips and tricks. So watch the video fully. So now let us move on to the next part. So what are the rounds that are going to be conducted in this hiring? So the first round is application round. So initially you have to apply for this particular role. So for that, click the link and apply for it. Then the second round is screening. So they have to screen you based on your resume, the qualification, the eligibility criteria. They will screen you. So make sure your resume is 80 friendly and you have all the skills required. And then the first round that you have to attend is a communication round. So in CTS, you have to attend communication round at first. So make sure you prepare proper grammar, tenses, fill in the blanks, then error correction. So those type of questions you have to prepare for clearing this communication round. Also speaking and listening will be in this. Then the next round is aptitude. So in aptitude, you will get all the type of questions like logical reasoning, quantitative, then coding, MCQs, and also coding also will be asked in this. So for that, you have to prepare. So I will tell you where you can prepare. Then the next round is technical HR. So in technical HR, you will be asked a lot of questions. So the questions will be based on whatever you have studied in your college time, then your projects, then in coding they might even tell you to code before them. Then your resume, basically your resume is the main thing that will be tested in that. And then when you crack that, you will go to HR interview. So HR interview is nothing but they will check your confidence, your English, your communication, or you fit for this culture or not, whether you have given the true information, document verification. That's it. So if you clear all this, you will get the offer letter and you have to join whenever they call you. So this is the hiring process that is completely explained for CTS. So other than that, they have also given a lot of tips that you have to prepare for Gen Z and Gen Z next round. So you can read it if you want. So now this is about the rounds, guys. So if you are thinking like where to study for this, don't worry, I got you. So what you have to do is check out our WhatsApp channel. The link is in the description. So in the WhatsApp channel, you will get a lot of links that are for free TCS, IBM, Avasoft, Zoho, and lot more companies notes free drive that I have provided in that description. So you can join and you can use it completely for free. So I will give a lot of hirings. Then I ask the opinion, I give suggestions. A lot of hirings I post directly in that also. So make sure you join so that you get full use of it for your career. So that's it, guys. The link is in the description. Do check it out. So that's it for today, guys. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Please don't hesitate. I will reply you as soon as possible. So I will come with another hiring process certification course or anything that is useful for your career. So make sure you join our WhatsApp channel and subscribe and hit that bell button. Also share with your friends. Do check out other videos that are recent hiring. So I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye. This is me signing off.